Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2.
Hey guys, just wanted to check in. I'm starting my morning this morning at work, trying to get some things done. And so I will check back in with you hopefully after work today. And let's see how this Vlogmas Day 2 goes. Hey guys, so it is now in the afternoon and it's been a long day. Mama is not cooking today. She already did some canning for the second batch, so that is done. So we picked up Texas Roadhouse, and if you guys know Texas Roadhouse, the rolls are bomb.com. And some of you guys probably don't have Texas Roadhouse. I think you've got Logan's, which is pretty much the same thing. But anyway, so yes, I'm going to relax and have a wonderful meal. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas Day 1. This is, of course, is Day 2. And I must say that prior to Thanksgiving, I was all about decorating the house for Christmas, and I still have one more tree to put up. I'm doing 3 trees this year, which is something I have never done. We are in a new home this year, so because of 2020, I want to do something a little bit more festive. So anyway, I've got, I don't know if you can see, I've got 4 of these little 24-inch wreaths. I think I'm going to put these outside and see how they look. I just want something simple. So I think I'm going to take, I got some more of this striped red and white ribbon. I think I'm going to make a bow for this wreath, and maybe the other 3. I have to see how much I have. I think I've got a little bit left on another one. So when you guys are decorating for Christmas, do you just pull out things that you have done prior years, or do you try to do something different each year? So let me know in the comments below. Do you like it? I learned how to make bows when I was a teenager. My first job was at Michael's, and we had a great florist, and he taught me how to make bows, and I still use that bow technique to this day. Okay, so I'm gonna make a few more of these for my other wreaths, and then we're gonna switch gears, and I'm going to do a little bit of knitting to round out the night.